crappy today. Right?
No. Left.
How are you? Thanks for stealing my fork. Yeah, I guess. How are you, Christina?
I'm good. How are you, Maricina?
Good.
No, I pulled it out and I only stopped.
Do you want to go get me some Diet Pepsi?
Do you... Yeah, I don't gotta come back for that.
I was just like thrown against the wall.
Yeah, I guess.
Hey y'all, we're back.
Don't make me walk on ice.
Because I always vlog with this one.
Because she likes to be best.
Sure. And
You just professed your love to me, and now you're saying you don't like me. I see.
anyway, oh, I got the hiccups. Had them all day. Peanut butter cures all of your hiccups. You put it on a big spoon, and you just lick it up, and your hiccups are gone. See what I did there? I don't have peanut butter with me though. We're currently on our way to my friend's dorm to pick up her final portfolio for class because she's puking. Everybody seems to be getting sick lately, and I really don't understand why. Yeah. Oh god, these things are getting bad.
When you edit this, you're going to be like, oh, I sound disgusting.
I retrieved the folder, and now we are gonna go change it before class. Why am I hiccuping so much? I don't know.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. Come on, it's a lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
So my hiccups are back, and I've been trying to get rid of them, and so I licked the peanut butter and it didn't work. So don't listen to me ever again. And if you have any home remedies for hiccups the next time I get them, please leave them below because I am so tired of them. I've had them 4 times already today and they won't go away. But I'm going to end my video here. So like, subscribe, comment below if you like the video or not, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another Vlogmas. Bye.